What's up, YouTubers? So I'm over here, you see my fence here, I'm going to pressure wash it and show you the difference that I get from before and after. So check this out, guys. So you pretty much see the difference before and after. There's a difference in the color and look. Basically what I'm using over here is a Clean Force 1400 PSI pressure washer. I got this at Home Depot, about $100, but right after I do this, I'm going to stain my fence with some flood stain I got at Home Depot, and I might post a video, my next video, showing you how I stain it. So thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe. Peace out.